Hey, welcome to Bush Kids. We're in the garden again today, and we thought we'd do some bushcrafting, so we've got another challenge for you. And today we're going to be making some damper bread. Now, damper bread is really simple to make. It's just about using some plain flour, some water. You can add some other ingredients to it, and there's different ways of cooking it. We're going to do it a couple of ways today. We're going to do it on a stick, like a twirl, and in a pan. So let me show you what you need. Okay, so here are our sticks, and actually what we've just got is some garden cane here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to make sure that we take all the dirt and things off these so that we can wrap our damper bread mix around them. And these are about as thick as my thumb actually. Obviously if you're in the woods you can get a branch or a stick. Make sure you take all of the bark off the branch right down to the white wood, and that way you can make sure it's safe and no any kind of bacteria or anything on the stick at all. Okay, so we've got some white flour, we've got a couple of cups, we've got a couple of mixing bowls, and we've got some raisins to put into one of our mixes here. A little spoon, and we've got some water as well, and we're going to mix up and get messy. Obviously we need a fire to do everything over the fire. You'll see that we've got a very controlled fire here that we've had going for a while in a barbecue in a safe place. You can use wood, sticks, or obviously normal barbecue briquettes and charcoal to keep it going. Okay, so we've got about half a cup of flour in there in each of the cups, maybe a little bit more in there. So we're going to pour that flour into our containers. Okay, half a cup in there and half a cup in there. Now what I want you to do is I want you to make a little hole in the middle of that. Yep. What we're going to do is now start to put some water in. We're just going to add a little bit of water first to fill our hole. And when we've filled our hole, we're going to get our fingers in now and start to mix it. And get all of this stuff mixed in. Okay, so we put that first bit of water in. Now we're going to put the same in again, a little bit more again, a bit more, that's it. Now mix that up, you put the same in, a bit more, now mix that up. And what we're looking for is a dough that sticks together and is easy to bring together and then mould. So this is going to be our sweet one here, so what we're going to do is going to get some, now we're squidging it up and it's getting squidgy, we're going to start to put some raisins in here. Just put them in the bottom of the bowl, Harry, and then you can squidge them in. Okay, I think that's enough. Now squidge all those in and bring all those together. Oh, that looks lovely. A bit like a hot cross bun. Okay, these are looking really good now. They've got really good consistency. They're not very sticky or tacky. Now we can start to mould them. So with this one, the sweet one, we're going to do this in a pan. So Harry now needs to get that as flat as he can. This one needs to go around our sticks, so it needs to be made into a long sausage. So good that you flattened it out. Let's make it into a sausage now. Okay, so we're working on these sausages here. We're split it into two now, that one. We have two sausages to go around our stick. We've got the pan, the size of the pan. We're just flattening it out in the pan, making sure we've got a bit of flour so it doesn't stick to the bottom of it. And we're going to get that as flat as we can. Okay, so we've got our flat pan bread, damper bread with raisins in to go. And we've also got our 2 sausages, sausage looking damper to wrap around our sticks, which we're going to do now. Okay, so we've got our stick, and we've got our sausage piece of damper here. So all I'm going to do first and foremost is I'm just going to wet my fingers, just get a little bit of water on this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the top, just like a snake going around the stick. I'm just going to bring this damper bread round and just squish it together as much as I can. Squishy, squish, squish, all the way around until I get a twizzle, or a damper bread twizzle. I'm just going to squish that down now and just make sure it is connected. Just swizzling them round now, just getting them nice and brown and cooked all the way through. Also, pan is on now. We've got a sweet and twizzled bread together. Now we're doing something cheeky here. We're putting some sausages on as well, because we're going to have a damper bread surprise and put a sausage in the middle of our twister. So we've got everything going at the moment. Everything's coming together really nicely. So the twizzles are done, and they can be eaten straight off the stick if you wanted to, but what we're going to do is we're going to take them off, and like Harry's done there, and start to put a sausage in them so that we can have them like a hot sausage twizzle. So let's do that. This will be like a magical thing. We've got a sausage in a twizzle. Guess what we've got here? Tomato ketchup. Oh, you made it. Now we've got the raisin damper as well. So there you go. Another challenge. Damper bread, twizzles and damper bread in a pan. One sweet with raisins, which is lovely. And with the twizzles where we put some sausages in the middle and some tomato sauce. So a great challenge. Get out there, get in the garden, use an old barbecue, and tell us how you get on. Enjoy. See you soon.